have encouraged you, honorable members, to take your work very seriously. And indeed, you must. The judgment of the 12th Parliament will be based most on what PIC, PAC, and SPAC will have done. I really want that to be very clear to you, members, because nobody else will care what I served quite a lot in the JLAC committee, that is Justice and Legal Affairs Committee. Nothing much was spoken about, even if they performed very well in the 11th Parliament, even if they did, because they did. In the 9th Parliament, they also did very well under the chairmanship of Honorable Muite. But if you looked at how they have been reported, it is the 10th Parliament's JLAC committee that was reported the most and probably thought to be the most active, because always there was a quarrel on who was supposed to be chair. I'm sure you remember the quarrel between Honorable Ababu Namwamba and I think, was it Honorable Baya? I think so. There was a quarrel, and at one time there was exchange between who was to become chair and who was not to become chair. That is the one which is thought to have done best. But if you ask me, having sat in that committee, probably the 9th and the 11th Parliament outdid the 10th Parliament.
The system of government, the reduction in the ostensible powers of the President have followed to the letter what was recommended in that report, and of course which was expanded upon and refined by academics and legal consultants thereafter. But has the spirit changed? Is the Kenya of today, with the brand new buildings that I can see, at heart different? Is the respect for the judiciary any better because you drag it into court day in and day out?